Hey everybody, what's up? What's up? This is Extreme Chevy Car, bringing you a update on my truck. I have finally completed all my wiring the way I want it. Everything is routed. This is for the battery. The way it should be. Through the firewall and back out for the alternator. So now that's all cleaned up. Got everything covered with this right here. Sorry it's a little dark, the sun's going down. I tried to make this before it did, but this is looking really good. And I'm pretty happy with it. Plus I made my patches for my firewall and put them in. They do sell these for earlier models, but you know, that's just way too much money, and I had a sheet of metal. So I made 3 patches. There's one right here, and the one up here. The reason there's one right here is because this was a factory heat and air conditioning truck. So yeah. Nope, for most trucks it was just they came with just heaters, no AC, but this one did. It's a 66 C20. But I plan on, when I can, putting in a modern AC and heating all this. So I'm sure you know which one I'm talking about. I keep forgetting the names of it. I'm sorry about that, guys. Vintage air. I'm planning on putting a vintage air system in here. So now this is all done up really good. It'll come out through here. The vintage air one, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. But for now, it's all sealed, except for the one over here for the wiring. It goes out for the lights. But other than that, this is looking beautiful. I hate to say it, but that's how I feel about it. That's how it looks. So, alright guys, thanks for watching, appreciate it. Just wanted to bring you an update. I'm sorry it's a little dark. But I've been working 12-hour days and trying to get home before the sun goes down. It hasn't been easy. So, but it is been fun. But at least now, guys, guess what? I guess I'm putting the front back on. I guess put the side fenders back on. The support here for the rear, put all that back in now. I've been working on it. Just got to do a little bit more and I can put all that on. Battery box, everything. And then won't be too much longer to where I'll have the body on here. I just got to get some paint to do the outside part, outside of it. Same color as the cab, if I can get it. So, alright guys, thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it. And trying to give you a good view here. Yeah, that firewall looks really good though. But I made my own patches. They look really good. They look like the ones that you can buy. Did a good job on them. So, alright, I will see you guys later. And thanks again for watching my videos. If you want to see more of this, just subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And yeah, it's been a long time coming, and I'm almost ready to drive this. I'll drive it like this if I have to, just to go around the park. It'll be fun. But alright guys, I will see you. Here's the truck again, and there's the 327. Brought over 40, so it was actually rebuilt once before, I found out. But the displacement is now a 358. It's more than a 350 now for it. It has roller cam, flathead pistons, roller rockers actually too. I remember them telling me about it, and has a 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor. Those are Hedman headers, ones that were specifically designed to go in this years of truck, and they sound great. So, all right, guys, I will see you later. It is starting to get dark in this video. All right, thanks again. Yeah, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.